Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and today we're at Plaza Mercedes in St. Louis to look at the all-new 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. Here we go. So here we're looking at the 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 SUV. It's all-new design for 2020, featured here in polar white with silk beige interior with natural grain walnut wood trim. As we move around to the rear of the vehicle, we can see the dual tip exhausts as well as the LED taillights. This vehicle is offered by Plaza Motors in St. Louis, and for additional information, contact Benjamin. His information is listed below. Here we can see the power folding side mirrors, as well as the optional 19-inch 5-spoke wheels wrapped with all-season radial tires. And we move around to the front, we get a great look at the daytime LED running lights, LED headlights. The optional Illuminated star, I'll show more of that at the end of the video. We have rain sensing windshield wipers. And we jump to the interior. The rear seat is a 40-20-40 split fold-down rear seat. And this vehicle is extremely well equipped. So I'm going to have to run through the features as well as the options. There's the power panoramic moonroof. As we move to the front driver and passenger area, we have the MBUX infotainment system. The steering wheel has touch control buttons. I'll talk more about that in a moment. We have the dual zone climate control, Bluetooth connectivity. There's a great look at the walnut trim. The driver and passenger seat are power, memory, heated, as well as vented. Great look at the center stack. And the steering wheel with all of its controls. There's a wonderful look at the center console as we back out and look at the panoramic moonroof. Here we can see the driver's controls. The memory is for the mirrors, seats, as well as the steering wheel for the driver. There's the center cluster, and on the steering wheel you have controls. On the left is for the center cluster, and on the right is for the infotainment, as you see here. So the driver can control both of those from touchpads on the steering wheel. We have Bluetooth connectivity, a 10.25-inch touchscreen display as we're looking at here. We have Mercedes-Benz navigation with map updates for the first 3 years. We have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control. Here we see the backup camera, and there are 4 cameras on the vehicle, both side mirrors, one in the front and one in the back. Dual zone climate control that you can control here. You can control your touch screen here on your controls, as well as on the touchscreen itself. Here we're looking at the fan and volume control. We have voice control, Mercedes Me Connect service with a trial period. There's the walnut trim and a nice little cubby, a great key fob, and we also have a wireless phone connectivity here that you can charge your phone wirelessly. There's a wonderful look at the touchpad. The touchpad, you can control your infotainment system there or on the actual touch screen. The center console has got plenty of room for storage as well as some additional power points. We have navigation, and if you look in the reflection, you can see my hand on the touchpad, moving things around. We have Optional augmented video for navigation, as you just saw. We have optional heated and vented front seats, optional power tilt and sliding panoramic moonroof, optional heated steering wheel. The stereo is the Burmaster surround system. We have the optional parking assist package with surround view system. That's where the 4 cameras really come in control. Here we can see the rear cargo area. It's 17.4 cubic feet in the seats in the upright, and the power controls there, the chrome power controls that pull the seats down. It is a power lift gate. We have active brake assist, active parking assist, blind spot assist. The engine is a 2.0 inline-4 twin-turbo engine producing 255 horsepower, made it to a 9-speed automatic transmission, and it gives you 21 city and 28 highway. We have the Eco Start Stop, 4MATIC all-wheel drive. The sticker price on this vehicle is $54,000. And here we get a great look at the LED headlights as well as the illuminated Mercedes star. And in a moment, you'll see the illuminated star when you open the driver and passenger door, which is really cool. For additional information, contact Benjamin. That is just amazing. And you also see the ambient lighting in the door as well as the inside trim.